Hello, my dear children. How are you all? In fact, this is my first video in class 12, and in this video, I am going to show you how a notice is written. Now, children, there are several recognized formats of a notice. Notice के बहुत सारे formats हैं. One of the formats has been presented before you by me. You can clearly see in the video the format is given before you. Now all the formats are correct. You may write in any format you like, but that must be in a proper sequence. So we must follow this simple format that I am presenting you. First comes heading of the institution on the behalf of which we are writing the notice. For example, on the behalf of the school, a principal writes a notice. So the name of the school will come there. Second, in the second line, we have to write down notice. In fact, we are writing notice, so a proper heading of notice is to be written. It is required here, NOTICE, notice. Then comes the subheading. Now, what is subheading? Subheading is the topic, it is the issue, event or any function about which we are writing the notice. आप नोटिस किसके लिए लिख रहे हो? For example, the annual function or annual sports day, or you are writing a notice about vaccination week which is to be organized somewhere, or you are writing a notice about a picnic tour. So that topic, that heading, that subheading, in fact, which carries the event function, has to be mentioned here. Okay. Then comes date. You have to write down the date. Simply write down the date, like 22nd April 2021. Don't write down this again, DATE. Next comes body of the notice, which must be in fact 50 words. First, we have to mention the purpose. For what purpose, for what issue, for what matter we are writing the notice here. In the second line, beta, it is written day, date and time. Now we have to also mention the day on which the event is to be organized, and it is also likely that we should mention the date also properly. Time should be mentioned. Next, venue, place where the event is organized. And finally comes appeal. Now appeal is not necessary on all the in all the notices. It should be written only when it is required. Then children comes the name of the writer, the writer who is writing this notice, and finally comes his designation. Now the writer who is writing this notice must be a designated person, and whose designation, name of the post, must be mentioned in the last line, final line, as it is mentioned here. Now children, there are some important points which should be kept in mind while writing a notice. Notice लिखते वक्त आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए. First important thing is that write notice in a very formal language. ऐसे नहीं लिखना that I am going to tell you that we will go to a picnic and enjoy very much, so I am going to tell you that you have to come to school on this and this date and be a part of the event. Wrong. It should be written that this is to notify that the school is going to organize an event on dash 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 day dash 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 date from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So all are requested to enthusiastically participate in it. Now this is a formal language. It's a language in which a notice should be written. Now take second point, consider the second point. Avoid the use of words like I, you, me, my, etc. Now these are very personal words. This will make your format very personal. It won't remain then an informal and then an formal language. You have to write your notice in a very formal language. And if you are going to use words like this, I, you, me, and we, that will make the language very informal, very personal. So avoid the use of such words. Final point that must be kept in mind is that all the information that you are providing here must be arranged in a proper sequence. First, write down for what purpose you are writing the notice, on which day the event is to be organized, properly mention the date, time, the place, and make an appeal if it is necessary. So this is the proper sequence in which a notice should be written. And we have practiced a great deal of notices in our previous classes, children. You know that we have practiced a lot about notice in class 9, 10, and even in class 11. And here also I am telling you the same thing. Okay, children, hope you must have understood that how a notice is to be written. Okay then, thank you. Bye bye.